you start.
Start.
Okay, so of course, before we read our story for today, we have to go over our vocabulary words. So my first word is sweep. What's my word?
Sweep.
Sweep is a noun. What is it?
Noun.
So if something moves in a sweep, it moves in a curved way. If something moves in a sweep, that means it moves in a curved way. So sweep means, cover your mouth, to move in a curved way. What does sweep mean? To move in a curved way. So let's go and take a look at this picture. Right? This picture is showing Earth. Earth makes a sweep around the sun. So that means Earth is going around the sun. It's moving in a curved way. So when I move my arms in a sweep like this, I'm moving my arms in a curved way. You know that means what? If I do like this, what does that mean? Thank you. That means come here. That means I want you to move towards me, right? So what? I'm sorry, because Alexis is the only one answering my question, and I got 20 kids in here. What's my word?
Sweep.
Sweep. And sweep means what?
Move in a curved way.
Thank you. To move in a curved way. All eyes are where?
On you.
On me. My next word is rolls.
Rolls.
Rolls. Exactly. And rolls is a verb. What is it?
Verb.
Thank you, because a verb is an action word, so it's something that we do. So when something rolls, it moves from one place to another. So if you roll, you move from one place to another. What does rolls mean? To move from one place
to another place.
Thank you. So for example, the bowling balls rolls towards the pin. The bowling ball rolls towards the pin. Right? So for example, now not everything just have to roll as in roll, like a bowling ball. Can I, y'all eyes on me, thank you. But if we look at our classroom calendar, right here, today is what, the 11th, right? So today is Monday. So Monday is going to eventually roll into Tuesday, which makes it the 12th.
Somebody
So
knocking
one
on
day
the
can
door.
roll into another. Graylin, open the door, please. Mr. Wings, good morning. I'm glad I did not turn in attendance because I sure did mark you absent. Okay, so my next word is universe. What is my word?
Universe.
Universe is a noun. What is it?
A noun.
What is my word?
Universe.
The universe is everything in the world, like Earth, the planet, the stars, the moon, the sun, every single thing. So the universe is everything in the world. What is universe?
Everything in the world.
So the universe is a huge area filled with planets and more stars than we can count. So this is a picture of the universe. It's filled with more planets and stars than anybody can count. Give it to me. Because now it's mine. So Earth, right? We live on planet Earth. Earth is only one of the many planets in the universe.
Somebody just called you. Me text you.
My next word is gravity. What's my word?
Gravity.
What's my word?
Gravity.
Gravity is a noun. What is it?
A noun.
And what's my word?
Gravity.
So gravity is a force that makes things stay close to Earth. So for example, MJ, stand up. Jump up for me. So when MJ jump up, then she come back down? That's gravity. Gravity is what pulls things closer to the ground, right? So no matter how high you may go, you eventually have to come down. That's gravity. So gravity pulls things closer to the ground. What does gravity do? It pulls things closer to the ground. What's my word?
Gravity.
Great job. My next word, revolve. What is my word?
Revolve.
So, revolve is a verb. What is it?
A verb.
So, when things revolve, they go in a circle around something else. So, the horses on the carousel, they revolve around the center, right? Because, look at the horses. Don't they just go round and round in a circle? They just go up and down, but they go around and round and around, right?
Yes.
So the horses on the carousel, they revolve around the center. Kiana, do me a favor and walk around this table, please. So now Kiana is revolving around my yellow table because she's just going around and around the yellow table. Thank you so much, Kiana. What was my word?
Revolve.
What was my word?
Revolve.
Okay, so how are we sitting on my carpet? Crisscross applesauce, thank you. And all eyes are where?
On you.
On me, thank you. My next word is tilt.
Tilt.
What's my word?
Tilt.
If something tilts, it has one part that is higher than the other. I'm sorry, tilt is a verb. What is it?
A verb.
So if something tilts, that means it has one part that is higher than the other. What is tilt? When you have one part higher than the other. Thank you, higher than the other part. Thank you so much for those of you that are participating actively. Scoot up. Do not scoot back anymore. Scoot up. Thank you. We're sitting crisscross applesauce on our behinds. So, for example, if I lean back in my rocking chair, I am tilted in, right?
Yes.
Because now, one part is higher than the other at the bottom. Because this part is closer to the ground, and this part is not as close to the ground. So, it's higher. Up the chair. Don't break. So, if we look at the picture, the dog tilts his head when someone talks to him. What's my word?
Tilt.
Okay, so now we're going to go over all of the words really fast. My first word was
Sweep.
and sweep means what? When you move in a curved way. Thank you, when you move in a curved way. Thank you. My next word was what?
Roll.
Thank you. And rolls means what?
Going
You move
from one place to another place.
Thank you. It's how we can go from one place to another. My next word was what?
Universe.
And universe is what?
Everything.
Everything in the world, right? Universe is everything in this world. It's more things in this world that you can even imagine. My next word is what?
Tilt.
Tilt means what? When one part is higher than
the other part.
Great job. My next word is what?
Revolve.
What's my word?
Revolve.
And when something revolves, they go in a what?
Circle.
They go in a circle around something else. Great job. And my last word was
Gravity.
gravity. And gravity is the thing that what?
Thank
It pulls us back down to the ground, right? Yeah, gravity keeps us off. Gravity keeps us on the ground. If we didn't have gravity, we'll all be floating. like when you go to the moon. So now when we see these words in our story today, we are going to know exactly what they mean, and we're also going to know how to read those words, because now the words are not unfamiliar to you guys because we done went over them. So thumbs up if you understand the meaning of all words. Great job, thumbs down. You can stop it.